hospitality design, especially this scale of hospitality design, there's so many different venues that we have to think about not only design, but what are the appropriate materials for each of those venues that convey our concept, but will also perform beautifully for years to come.
The overall vision for the hotel is to have a home away from home, a place where people feel comfortable coming, gathering, being with their friends, with their family, or with their business associates, and feeling this is a place that I enjoy being at.
And that means creating a really different finish package for each of those spaces. So we want to tie it into the area and make sure that it feels authentic to the region that we're designing. And that was this idea of American Nordic design. The entrance sequence is probably the most important aspect of the guest experience, and the centerpiece of that at this hotel is a custom concierge and reception desk.
These 3 large columns with the Nordic wood surrounds, and everything plays off of that. The table where the staff are that greet you when you come in, the surround on the walls behind them as we open up to a lobby bar area and a traditional seating lobby and a marketplace with wood ingrained in the flooring. It creates that Nordic theme from the moment you walk in.
Each one of the suites has a unique colorway. The first one was white noir, the second was blue noir, and the most exclusive suite is our purple noir suite. The element that really is the showpiece in our Purple Noir suite is the Britannica Gold fireplace surround. Not only is it using a mitered edge, but it also bevels. It's really sculptural and is the showpiece of the Purple Noir suite. We also carried that into the suite bath using a book match that aligns the veins, and it really adds a beautiful backdrop to the freestanding tub. The guest rooms, they're really light, they're airy. We wanted these to have a comfortable feeling, but also an aspirational feeling, something you can experience at home. We want to consider materials that are not only aesthetically beautiful, but are going to withstand multiple guest stays.
Traditionally, you wouldn't put something really high-end in a place that's going to take a lot of abuse, people putting their luggage on it. But we knew Cambria could survive a long haul of a unique hotel environment, yet be a piece of furniture, something that looks and fits the theme and is beautiful, and people notice it when they come in.
The showers really stands out to me. That was one of the most unique applications, and that was really key for not only the operations team to not have to worry about grout lines, but also for us to have that huge slab look. It's a much higher end and luxurious install. The hospitality lounges on this project are essentially a reinvented concierge lounge. These are 2-story spaces that span the entire height of the building, and they're perfect for renting out for gatherings, corporate events, informal meetings.
You have the fire, the hearth, you have all the furniture, you have a kitchen area, you can have food and beverage served. This room is indicative of the type of things we wanted to be different. You don't see this in another hotel.
The spa design, it's really one of the most organic venues. We used curved walls throughout the space to create a more organic environment, and that's really in juxtaposition to a lot of that fractured architecture throughout the project. One element that we use to create that organic feeling is a touch point right at the front desk. There's this tactile aspect of that rock edge or chiseled face of the Golden Dragon, Cambria. So guests interact with that right away, and there's this natural quality that sets the tone for the rest of their experience. Cambria was really one of the perfect product selections for us to use across the board in all the venues on this project. From the bar tops, to the lobby coffee tables, to the spa treatment rooms, and even in the guest room showers, cladding them floor to ceiling. And it's not just for aesthetic purposes, but for its performance to be non-porous and easy to clean and maintain.